Welcome to Jar Masala. Today I'm going to make salad and I'm going to use our salad and fruit masala seasoning powder. So I have some dice-sized tomatoes, cucumbers, I have some white onions, I have some green chili here. You can add some corn, you can add beans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mustard oil, and you can also do olive oil. I'm going to add some mustard oil here. And then I have my salad and fruit masala seasoning here. I'm going to add some and add the seasoning to your taste. I'm going to add some salt. I'm just going to mix everything. You have your masala flavor salad. Please do subscribe to my channel for more recipes using my masala kits. And you can find me at Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Jar Masalā.